Imagine a world where one viral post can topple reputations, spark revolutions, or decide an election. A world where a simple hashtag can unite millions or divide societies overnight. This isn't a futuristic vision, it's our present. From the printing press to social media, every communication revolution has rewritten the rules of politics. Today, public opinion is shaped not only by speeches or debates, but by algorithms, AI, and influencers. Welcome back to the Learning Studio. You're watching our political science series, and in today's lecture, we'll explore public opinion and political communication, how people form their political beliefs, how leaders and media shape those opinions, and how technology is changing the way politics works. And in our next episode, we'll move to political culture and socialization, exploring how families, schools, and societies build our political values over generations. What is public opinion? Public opinion refers to the collective attitudes and beliefs of citizens about political issues, leaders, and institutions. It's the invisible force that drives democracy, because in the end, every policy, election, or protest depends on what people think and feel. But here's the catch. Public opinion doesn't form on its own. It's influenced, sometimes subtly, sometimes powerfully, by communication. Political communication, the art of influence. Political communication is how information flows between citizens, media, and government. It includes campaign speeches and debates, news coverage and editorials, advertising and propaganda, and today, social media, memes, and digital storytelling. In earlier centuries, orators like Demosthenes or Lincoln shaped opinion through powerful rhetoric. Then came the radio and television age, when voices and faces reached millions. Think of Franklin Roosevelt's fireside chats or Kennedy's televised debates. Now, we live in the age of algorithms, where platforms like X, Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok decide which voices get amplified and which disappear into the noise. The digital revolution and its dilemma. Social media democratized communication. Everyone has a platform, but it also created echo chambers, misinformation, and manipulation through AI-driven content. Artificial intelligence can now write speeches, target voters, and even generate fake news that looks real. The question isn't just who speaks, it's who controls the conversation. Governments, journalists, and citizens must now navigate a digital landscape where truth competes with virality. Public opinion in action. We've seen its power. The Arab Spring, where social media mobilized millions for democracy. The Me Too movement, which reshaped global conversations on gender. Election campaigns worldwide that use data analytics to target voters individually. Public opinion can build nations or polarize them. The health of a democracy depends on an informed, critical, and engaged citizenry. Public opinion is the heartbeat of democracy, and political communication is its nervous system. Together, they decide who leads, what policies succeed, and how societies evolve. In the digital age, understanding these forces isn't optional, it's essential, because every like, share, and click now holds political power. And that's today's lecture on public opinion and political communication, where democracy meets data and words shape worlds. In our next episode, we'll explore political culture and socialization, discovering how our beliefs, values, and traditions shape the way we think about politics from childhood to adulthood. This is the Learning Studio, where learning never stops. See you in the next class.